Hi everybody. The reason I'm creating this video is because I want to tell you about another channel that I'm running currently. And I'm very aware that some of you aren't really sticking to the current content and the current trends that my channel has been going for. I really apologize. I should have actually split the channel. And I was aware or recently made aware that YouTube is penalizing dubious or different or subdivided content trends. So I cannot just do a content trend when I'm doing a MGTOW channel or I'm doing a channel that's based on life advice or hermeneutics. I cannot subdivide it and do a channel or jump ship to another channel idea that I just want to start doing off the fly. I have to start a new channel. And it's sad that YouTube does it, but I've seen that my channel popularity went down as a result of my new and latest videos. So I've decided to subdivide the channel and actually create a new channel. People are interested in hypnosis videos. I'm actually making use of technology, including other narrators and speakers, to help me with the new channel. So please do go to the channel. They have better voice than I do, so I cannot do a hypnosis session for the life of myself. So I have to get other people or other tools to be able to help me doing that. So please go and check out my channel. I'm going to be putting it. It's called the Mystic Lease. I'm putting it in the comment section below for everybody who's wanting to check it out. So please go to the channel if you're really interested in the insomnia vlogs. I might actually make another channel for that one. So Mystic Lease would just be about the therapy stuff and all the psychology stuff, including hypnosis sections. So if you're really into hypnosis sessions and also just sleep stuff, all that stuff, help, assistance, stuff that I found is working, then the Mystically is going to be your channel that you're going to have to go to and subscribe to. So please go and check out the Mysticallys. I might create a different channel for just vlogs, but the Mystically is going to be the hypnosis channel and the meditation channel. So go and check it out. Thank you so much.